Welcome to Chemistry Made Easy. We are going to learn empirical formula, simplest formula. It shows the simplest whole number ratio of atoms of each element in a compound. It does not necessarily show the actual number of atoms, just the relative proportions. Example, for glucose, the empirical formula is CH2O, ratio 1 to 2 to 1. Even though glucose's actual formula is different, do not forget to subscribe. Example 1, given 0.6 g of carbon reacted with 0.2 g of hydrogen. Find the empirical formula. Start by identifying the element present. Use their symbols, composition by mass. Carbon is 0.6, and hydrogen is 0.2. Number of moles for each. It's given by mass divided by relative atomic mass. For carbon, 0.6 divided by 12 equals 0.05. Also, work out for hydrogen. Mole ratio. Divide by the smallest number on both sides. Get the atom ratio, which is 1 to 4. This forms the simplest formula. Example 2. Given that 11.2 g of iron reacted with 4.8 g of oxygen, find the empirical formula. Identify the elements present. Composition by mass. Iron is 11.2, and oxygen is 4.8. The number of moles each mass is divided by the respective relative atomic mass of the element. Mole ratio. Divide both sides by the smallest number. Since we have 1.5, which is not a whole number, multiply both sides by the lowest number that makes the ratios whole numbers. Multiply by 2. Atom ratio is 2 to 3. Iron is 2. Oxygen is 3. Leave a comment and subscribe before we continue. Example 3. A compound contains 36.5% sodium, 25.4% sulfur, and 38.1% oxygen. Calculate the empirical formula. Pause the video and try out the question. Good, this must be your answer. Thanks for watching. If this video has been helpful, share it with your friends.